a charger, a spare propeller, and finally the electric module itself. Comes already fully assembled, so you don't have to do any assembly yourself. This is the motor and the propeller, and this is where the battery is, and there is a carbon fiber rod that connects these two components. To install batteries into the charger, you will need a small crosshead screwdriver like this one. So simply unscrew this, remove the cover. So it takes 3 AA size batteries, which are not included but easily available. There's a flange at the bottom. So replace the cover and secure by tightening this screw here. To start, you have to fold your own paper aeroplane. As you can see, the power module is a bit shorter than an A4 size piece of paper. So there are instructions on the leaflet provided that show you how to shorten the paper in order to fold the aircraft into a size that would suit the power module. But you can use any paper aircraft design that you like, as long as the wing does not interfere with the propeller. So I've gone ahead and folded a paper aeroplane of my own design. I prefer a design with folded down winglets for better directional stability. So the way to attach the power module to your paper aeroplane is to use these plastic clips at the front. So simply slide this in. So you can see that the plastic clips grips both sides of the wings. And there, it's securely fastened. To start the propeller spinning, simply connect the charger to the front part of the power module like this. Remember the orientation. So the printout should be facing the ground, and the other side of the charger, the plain side, should be facing up. So connect it to the front part of the power module like this, and you will be able to hear the propeller spin up. Try not to charge it more than 20 seconds to avoid damage to the electronic components. So now we're all set. It's time to take this for a field test. Personally, I think this is an ingenious toy. It is simple in concept and easy to use. It is, for such a lightweight device, it is surprisingly sturdy. It's taken dozens of crashes and still remains intact and functioning. Because it's connected to a paper aeroplane, the entire setup is very sensitive to the wind. So some of the flights may not be ideal, as the wind gusts will bring down the paper aeroplane very quickly. But at its best, it can certainly take flights of more than 30 seconds as indicated in the box. So I highly recommend this toy for those who have children who are geeks, really, who are interested in flying and flight, the physics of flight, but that you would also want them to have some exercise in the great outdoors.